I wanted to pick up the camera and start vlogging this. I have an appointment to get to a wax appointment, so I just need to make sure get it done. And then we have a COVID test appointment to go to, so that has to be done today. This is gonna be an interesting vlog. I don't know. Oof, I'm all right. I just need like to relax and massage, but the kind of person I am with details and just having things done on time. Okay, I'll see you guys later. It is already later that evening. I'm currently in the bathroom packing. These are just like my camera stuff that I would be carrying. Just stand, nothing big, batteries. Yeah, this is my closet. This is my main bag, second bag. I don't know if you can see it, and then carry on. I'll catch you guys later. Just wanted to let you guys know where I'm at. It's already later this evening, Friday night. Literally, we will be leaving tomorrow night. We'll be leaving Phoenix tomorrow night, so need to make sure a lot of these things are done. I know for a fact this vlog will be broken into different parts, so yeah. Peace.
The next day.
So it is Saturday night, and we are about to start heading out to the airport right now. We are done packing, at least almost. We just tidied up the house, one or two things, put it in our bags, and I'm ready to get our Uber or Lyft to the airport, and we will be heading out. Ooh, there's one thing I'm gonna need. Found it! This is gonna be very helpful. You have no idea. If you know, you know why I need this.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you...
We are at the airport. We're all checked in. Can you believe it? I always have issues, but man, this was the nicest, most polite, and easiest check-in. Aside from the lots of bags that we had way too much bags, and I was tired. All now we gotta do is wait 8:11, and that's our flight up there. As you can see, we came very early. Matthew's eating ostrich jerky. How does that ostrich? You ate it all? I'll catch you guys when we're about to board and go.
Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool, bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up,
The next day.
This is Matthew. We made it. It's the morning of. Let me see. So we made it.
It'll be on YouTube. Don't worry. Let's see.
We made it to the trail. Oh, I need to move my hand.
I'll show you later.
Alright.
What do you do?
Continue with my vlog. Because I was using my phone earlier. So we're on the train. That's Matthew. Oh, that's Florence. All right.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need
The next day.
How's your breakfast? He's having waina for breakfast.
we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
So Matthew is getting his COVID test done.
Already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, down, wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
I like it.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent.
Matthew insisted we get him sugarcane. Hey, no, buddy. Stadium roundabout.
Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. You tried too many times. You must have known me. Make me better. Kinda like
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. What did you think about it, Ben?
Your dress?
Matthew's having sugar cane.
Oh, this is
It's delicious.
juicy enough.
It's a lot just coming out from one shoe, isn't it?
Guess what? Guess what? Maria, guess what? I said, guess what? See another person here. Who is this?
Uncle Matthew.
Ah!
How are you? Fine? How are you enjoying your new house?
Good.
That's good.
You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time.
Go on.
Stop telling me lies.
Do you like it?
It's one.
It's what?
Different.
Drinking palm wine. Hi guys, so it's been a long time. This is actually me using my camera. It's been a long time. I had a proper talking vlog moment. So right now we're on the train, and I think the last time I had my camera out, we're on the train going to Kaduna. We are done with Kaduna. We're going back to Abuja. I've finished all the things I needed to do. And see who is seated with me. Annabelle. She's putting lip gloss, as always. She's getting ready for the vlog. I brought out the camera. She brought out lip gloss. Matthew.
So is that the rising sun? That's not the sun. What? Is that the sun?
Oh, what is it? Sunrise. We took the first train, and the first train leaves at 6:40. What a way to start a chaotic day! It's leaving the train station in Kaduna State to Abuja. It's so stressful, but we made it. We left plenty of time to come on time, but we still got on the train right when we're supposed to be leaving. But I think they delayed a little bit because people were still coming on. But yes, but now that we have left Kaduna, I will have time to give you people content. Because in Kaduna things were crazy, so, and I was just trying to get things done. I didn't have time to breathe, but hopefully after today, and because this week I'm getting back to work, I'm working remotely, so things have to be a little bit calmer. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we reach Abuja. Bye. Sorry. What kind of interruptions? Like, no, they will hear it. Like one ram doing.
That's right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. And I like it how I come from behind. And I ain't changing how you taking all my time. That's right, can you take it all night?